How to post horizontal videos on TikTok. So if you want to learn how you are going to go ahead and post horizontal videos on TikTok, obviously we all know that the main aspect ratio on TikTok is this one over here, which is 9:16. So if you want to go ahead and post your horizontally aligned videos, what you're going to have to do is you're going to fit them in this 9:16 by reverting them. So basically, to give you a better idea, I'm going to be using Canva to just show you what mainly I'm talking about, because the video will stay horizontal and it will occupy this full screen in that way. So what we're going to do is I'm going to keep a custom size, and we're obviously going to keep it for 9:16. Okay, we're going to keep it about that, and obviously we're going to keep it in inches. So we have 9 by 16 inches. Now we're going to click on create new design. And once we do that, it's going to look something like this, right? Now, let's say we have a horizontal picture. Okay, so I'm going to go into my uploads and choose a horizontal picture. So let's say this is a horizontal picture I have, and let's say this is a video of yours. Now, if you want to full it up in this, what you're going to do is you're going to rotate it on a perfect 90-degree angle. And once you do that, you're simply going to go ahead and increase its size, okay? Increase its volume and depth, and there you go. So that is how you can post horizontal videos on TikTok in the easiest way. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.